ప్రవేశపెట్టిన మధ్యంతర బడ్జెట్ ప్రజలను మోసగించేలా ఉందని విమర్శించారు పశ్చిమ బెంగాల్ సీఎం మమతా బెనర్జీ. కేంద్రం తమ పథకాలనే కాపీ కొట్టిందని ఆమె ఆరోపించారు. సమైక్య వ్యవస్థను పూర్తిగా నీరుగార్చారని మండిపడ్డారు. కేంద్ర పథకం అని చెప్పుకుంటున్న ఆయుష్మాన్ భారత్ పశ్చిమ బెంగాల్లో ముందు నుంచే అమల్లో ఉందన్నారు మమతా బెనర్జీ.
Our party is also All India Trinamool Congress. It is a national registered party, recognized political party, national level. We feel this budget is actually it's an expiry budget. Budget of desperation. Actually this budget, what will be not implemented. Why this assumption? Because before election what we see, actually the new government, they decide the budget, they pass the new budget. Now only 1 month is the time for this present government. They have their date of expired. It is already expiry date will be over within 1 month. They have hardly 1 month in that time. So 1 month it is not possible to implement. First my concern and apprehension, because I worked for the railway ministry, twice I placed so many budgets. I think 5-6 budget including the state supplementary budget also I placed in this August House Lok Sabha. So I have no special idea. I am not economist, but I have some little bit the practical experience and the idea. Without knowing into in details what is the financial situation of this country now, if we feel correctly, then it is obvious that economic emergency is going on in our country. After demonetization, after GST, after Reserve Bank disaster, to NPA disaster, our apprehension is where this money will be coming and how this money will be managed. Number one, this government has no moral authority or the responsibility to place the budget